Okay, this is a HP 13-D007TU, and this is a quick video on changing the battery. Now this one, the battery is a little bit unhealthy, but not the worst condition. So simply to remove the cover, bunch of screws, including 2 hidden ones under these covers, plastic covers, and some more here in the front, left, right. Pop the cover out. It's got a 2280 SSD, and so we're just going to replace the battery. I already removed some screws, so 1, 2, these are the wider ones like that. The system is currently turned on in my one, it's charging, and it's currently in standby, and I'm going to do it while it's in a standby. Don't do what I'm doing. Usually you want to shut down the whole computer, save your documents, anything like that, and make sure to use a genuine battery if possible. Compatible ones are okay, but sometimes HP will complain with their newer firmware updates of the BIOS that you're using a third party, non-genuine, whatever that means. Okay, so pull the battery out, the connector, just like that. Done. This one is in a bit of a rough condition, but it still works. It's about 85% capacity. And that's another one, new one, genuine HP. And we're going to install this, and let's see what happens. And it shows that it's charging. I'm not sure if it is really charging. We'll find out in Windows. And I'll show you how to generate a report. And that gives you a little bit of information about your battery. And this is in Windows 10. If one of these screws falls on the motherboard, kind of screwed. It's a live system at the moment. Not worth taking the risk, so do a proper shutdown in your case. Okay, now I'm not sure if this battery is good either. It's from the supplier. We never know these things. Alright, I'll just sign into the account. Alright, password. View. No icons. Okay. So I'll show you in Windows how you can generate a battery report. So you do Windows X, open a PowerShell command line. Yes. And there's a command you'll need to run, and simply POWERCFG battery report, and wait for it to finish, and you'll have a report in there. You can go to that directory, open that file, just type it in the command line here, run, and we should see battery information. Full charge capacity 37. What's the current battery level? 55 minutes until fully charged. Now I don't think that report is real, so I'm gonna actually shut the computer down and let it fully shut down. Take the battery out and plug it back in, because I did this in the live system, which is not good. So ideally you want to turn the computer off. We'll wait for this to finish. Okay, still doing some updates. Okay, system is turned off. Let's take the battery out, the charger out, power on the unit, it's powering on. Okay, let's see. It's booting, just sign in when it's ready. Okay, type in the password. Okay. Now we're gonna do the PowerShell again. And yes. POWERCFG. And then we'll run that report again. Okay, so okay, 54%, that's still correct. It's not charging, 53% at the time. Okay. So when fully charged, we expect this to be around 40,000, possibly. Yeah, it's a little bit higher than the previous. And the previous one, I'll show you the previous one. Open a tab. One sec. Okay, this is the previous one. Yeah, fully charged, 37,324, and the other one. So it's slightly different. Okay, not much. I will say it hasn't had a full charge yet. Okay. Anyway, that's about it. That's how you know when you replace the battery and whatnot. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.